Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by making a direct connection, so plug the iPhone into your computer and unlock the device. You must tap Trust on the iPhone and enter the passcode. Otherwise, the computer can't access files. Once done, open Finder on Mac OS Catalina or later, or launch iTunes on Windows. Make sure the device appears in the sidebar. If it does, you've completed the crucial first step that allows the system to request file access and enable file sharing. With the device visible, click it and select the Files or File Sharing section. You'll see apps that expose documents. Click an app to list its files. You can drag files from that list to a folder on your computer to copy them, or drag files from your computer into the Apps area to add them to the phone. This method shows app-specific files. It's how you move data reliably between iPhone and computer, because Apple restricts global file system access. When you're done copying or moving files, always eject the iPhone in Finder or iTunes before unplugging. This prevents partial transfers. If files fail to appear, make sure you tap Trust, then disconnect and reconnect the cable. If that fails, restart both the iPhone and the computer and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: switch cables and USB ports, because a faulty cable often blocks file visibility. If local access still fails, use iCloud Drive as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.